Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whatever it is for you, I'm just glad you're here. So lately, like within the past maybe like 6 months, I noticed all these celebrities, Instagram models, people posting this super glossy face look. Now obviously we can put glitter on our eyes, we can put highlighter on, and we can have that kind of glossy glittery effect. But no, I noticed that they were taking it a step up. So I went ahead and researched it and found a couple products for you to go ahead and get this beautiful look with. You know, maybe a little bit on the pricey side, but I want to show you how to get this look on the budget. So in order to achieve this super glossy look, guess what I did? I went to my local beauty supply store and got the dollar lip gloss, y'all. I haven't worn dollar lip gloss since I was in high school, but it works. It still works for the lips as well. But I use this dollar lip gloss on my face, on my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I achieved this look using dollar lip gloss. I'm not gonna lie, I did go ahead and put some of my trusted true, what is this? Kylie Jenner, I believe, gloss in the color 23, just because I wanted that extra sparkle, but I didn't put it on the eyes, just the lips. So trusty old lip gloss to get that wet, moist look. And I've had this makeup on for a couple of hours now and it's not going anywhere. It's staying put. It didn't make my lashes come off because I applied it, you know, in a certain way. So if you want to see how I got this look, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Keep on watching.
Red life, baby. I keep a bad bitch, not a catfish. Okay. My last bitch left in the past tense. Okay. Tatiana, real name Tatiana. Okay. Body like Rihanna, but she not Rihanna. No way. I make the pussy wet, she need a Mappiano. When she busts down, make her bust it like a Glockiana. She love it when I eat the Boxiana. Ooh. Make her body jerk, legs like Iana. I beat the pussy, then I beat the Blockiana. Cause bitch, I gotta get back to the Guaviana. She my trap queen, call her Trapiana. And we strappy-yana, never lacky-yana. I hit her from the back, she got the fatty-yana. She can turn a bad day into a happy hour. And she got that coochie oochie wally wally. Hit my shmoney dance, then I catch her body. Me and you and Hennessy, do not try me. I just wanna put my face in that punani.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. But there's one more thing. Before you leave, you're going to want to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. Why wouldn't you want to subscribe? You just learned something new on this channel. And I try to bring you things. I try to teach you guys new things all the time. Every time I'm learning something, I'm trying to teach you guys. So go ahead and subscribe and join me on this journey of knowledge. All right, bye, guys.